Good evening, guys. This is pre-Nationals grill out night with my wife Jennifer, my son Wesley on his GoPro. Leaving Thursday morning. We flying out 9:45. We'll arrive in Cleveland around 11:45. He's trying out his new GoPro, guys. He's taking it to Sweden. My mom is taking her grandkids, my son and daughter, and my brother's kids to Sweden Friday. He's gonna take that with him. In the back patio, doing our thing. They're putting a 4-lane road right behind my house. Absolutely terrible. They need to come out and kill all this here grass and weeds and bushes and trees that's starting to grow out here. This is absolutely terrible. It's getting my lawn. Try to keep it nice and neat over here, but it's hard to when you got stuff growing over here and wind blowing. But anyway, I'll just bring you guys to the back deck grill out party.